Hello friends, this is question number C 3.3.5. It is C 3.3.5. Let us try to solve the question. XYZ Limited, a US firm, needs 3 lakh pound in 180 days. Try to understand your home currency is dollar. You are in USA. It feels that you are a importer. Why importer? You require 3 lakh pound. So your payable is 3 lakh pound. So you'll have to purchase 3 lakh pound after how many days? 180 days, which is nothing but given. In the connection, the following information is available. Spot rate is $2 per pound, per 1 pound. It is $2 per pound. Is it a direct quote for USA? Yes. This is my home currency. This is my foreign currency. Foreign currency price is there. So ultimately it is a direct quote. I can directly use it. 180 days forward rate is given. Interest rates are given. Borrowing and depositing both are given separately. And options information is given, whereby a strike price of 1.97 at excuse me, premium of 0.04 rupees is available. Future rates are given and probability is given. Which of the following strategies would be most preferable to XYZ Limited? A forward contract, a money market hedge, an option contract, or no hedging? Alright. I will be finding out what will be my home currency, that is dollar, payable in each of 4 options. Where I am paying minimum amount of dollar, that will be my answer. So first, let us take a forward contract of 180 days. We will be purchasing 3 lakh pound in a forward rate of 1.96. 3 lakh pound at a forward rate of $1.96 per pound. This will get cancelled. 1.96 into 3 lakhs. $5,88,000. If I take a forward cover, this is 100% certain that I'll be ending up paying $5,88,000 after 180 days. Second, MMO, money market operations. What is payable? I always do this. What is payable? Pound 3 lakhs. Arrange your money in such a manner that receivable is also pound 3 lakhs. How this is possible? You will have to deposit pound. Then only it will be receivable. But how much? So that your receivable after 180 days, receivable after 180 days is $3 lakhs. What is the deposit rates for a pound? That is in UK is 4.5%. For it is 180 days a deposit rate. So it will be 4.5%. Directly it is 180 days deposit rate. So how much I'll be discounting it by 4.5%. Is 3 lakhs divided by 1.045. So how much pound I'll have to invest is 28,70,000. No, 2,87,081. 2,87,081 pound I'll have to deposit today, so that after 180 days, what is receivable is 3 lakh pound. I can directly pay 3 lakh pound and the matter will be over. This side, but to deposit 2,87,081 pound today, I'll have to purchase this much pound today. I'll have to purchase. So how much dollar I'll pay? 2,87,081 multiplied by, now it will be spot rate because I am talking about today. It is 2 rupees. This will be dollar which is required to deposit 2,87,081 pound or to purchase 2,87,081 pound. 2,87,081 pound multiplied by 2 gives me 5,74,162. 5,74,162 dollars will be required today. What I'll do, I will borrow this dollar in USA for 180 days and pay ultimately dollar after 180 days. What is the dollar borrowing rate? Dollar borrowing rate is 5.5%. So I will pay 5.5% more. I'll end up paying 6,05,741 dollars. 6,05,741 dollar will be payable after 180 days. This is money market operations. What is ultimately payable is 6,05,741. Here it was 5,88,000. This is money market operations. Understand, this all is settled down. I have deposited, I have received, which is paid. To deposit the money, I have purchased it in the form of dollar. To get this dollar, I have borrowed dollar at 5.5%. So this is the only thing that will happen after 180 days. I will be ending up paying 6,05,741. Let us go to third point, that is call option. Alright, so I need to purchase a 3 lakh pound in option. This is my option number 3. That's it. Alright. If I'll have to become long call for 3 lakh pound at a strike price of 1.97 with a premium of $0.04. Alright, let me assume I have entered into this contract. Believe me, I am bullish in pound. Is it alright? I am bullish in pound. And what are the expected market rate at the end of the day? It is 1.91. 1.95. 2.05. This is rate of pound against dollar. I am bullish in pound. You can see the settlement lectures of options. Now it will be very easy. If you are bullish, if the market is bearish, you will not exercise the option. If you are bullish, market is bearish, you will not exercise the option. If you are bullish, market is bullish, you will exercise the option. What will be effective cost of your pound if you don't exercise the option? You will have to purchase from the market at 1.91. This premium is always payable because you have received the option. So 1.91 plus 0.04 is 1.95. Your effective cost is 1.95. It is your effective cost. Here also you are not exercising the option. You have already paid the premium. So you will be paying this premium. Your effective cost will be 1.99. 0.04 per premium. You will have to purchase the pound at 1.95. Here you are exercising the option. So what will be your effective cost? Believe me, is not 2.05. Is only 1.97. Plus 0.04 because that you are already paying, so it is only 2.01. Is it alright? Your cost would have been 2.05 and not 2.01 had you have not taken the option. But as you have taken the option, if the market price is above 1.97, you will always exercise the option and purchase from the option at 1.97 and not in the market at 2.05. This is your effective cost. You need to purchase, but there is a probability attached to it. Is it alright? What is the probability? Is 25%, 60% and 50%. This is 25%. 60% and 15%. So what you will end up paying, your expected value will be 1.95 into 0.25 is equal to 1.99 multiplied by 0.6 is equal to 2.01 multiplied by 0.15 is equal to GT is 1.983. This is your expected cost of purchasing pound. How much pounds are under consideration? 3 lakh pound. What will be your expected rate is $1.983 per pound. Pound will get cancelled. Ultimately, you'll end up paying $5,94,900. Now, as this is based upon probability, this is not exact the answer that you are paying, but based upon the available information, you might be paying 5 lakh. Expected value of payment will be $5,94,900. Last but not the least, no hedging. If you do not hedge, what is your effective cost is this? Is it correct? With this probability, that is 1.91, 1.95, 2.05. So you don't have to pay the premium. No, you are not taking the option. You are keeping the position or the exposure open. Ultimately, this is the price you are expected to pay with a probability of 25%, with a probability of 60%, with a probability of 15%. So what will be your effective cost is 1.91 multiplied by 0.25 is equal to 1.95 multiplied by 0.6 is equal to 2.05 multiplied by 0.15 is equal to GT is 1.955. How much pounds are under consideration? 3 lakhs. Multiplied by 1.955 dollar per pound, pound will get cancelled. Multiplied by 3 lakhs gives me answer of $5,86,500. $5,86,500. If I take forward, I am certain I am going to pay $5,88,000. If I take money market operation, I am certain I am going to pay $6,05,741. Based upon the available information, expected value of payment from option is $5,94,900. Based upon the available information right now in our forecast, $5,86,500 will be payable if I keep my hedge risk open. If my forecast is correct, where I am paying minimum dollar as a US company is no hedge. Don't take anything. I am paying minimum. This expected value is minimum. So I'll keep my risk open if I am ready to take the risk. Thank you, friends.